Oh! I saw the wake and then I saw the frog coming towards me. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yes, you're getting nailed. That one. Right there. John, I want some of your
mojo.
Your whatever you deodorant you used in the morning after show. Yeah. No. I don't know, what if... Are we not doing any weigh-ins or anything now? How many have we got in there though? There we go. That looks better. That's alright. Oh. Oh, there we go. He was on.
You were there. You left it on. The sheep starts pretty red. This video. Oh, so skipper. Proper skipper. Down. Don't jump into the grassy beach. That's a keeper. It's up there. Hey, come down. Net for it.
Oh, still heavier. No, it's about the same as the other one. As a dad, it's like top like a really big. Yo, Sean, this is nice. Today we are fishing the FLW cast for cash, witbank dam. I think it's leg 4, eh? Leg 4. And yeah, I forgot to make an intro this morning, so it is around midday. Let's see if we can get a whole lot of fish for you guys and entertain you. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Oh my god, John. Oh my god. I'm panicking. No, don't panic. Bullshit. It doesn't feel like it. Big, but it's in the ground. I wish how big it though. Don't know why they're breaching, but they're breaching. See? Yes, this is the area. Run! So guys, the day has come to an end. We have a huge storm ahead of... Whoa! Did you see that lightning? Sorry guys, a big lightning strike in front of us. I'll show you some footage, hopefully I'll get some. The day was quite tough. We caught a lot of fish. We had a lot of fun. But we just couldn't find those kicker fish. So yeah, we landed up 7th place. Out of 37 teams, yeah, 37 teams, and yeah, well, it is what it is, nothing we can do about it. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed that footage, and yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also go check out Timols fishing tackle. Hey, all the equipment we used today was pretty much stuff that we got from him, and it worked well. Transvaal training, always. I mean, they gave us that fish finder. That fish finder has helped us find the really good spots that we have found in the last bit. And not to forget, Itties secret baits. Those frogs flipping worked like crazy again today. I caught my biggest fish on the spinner bait, but almost every single other fish we caught today was on those frogs. Itties secret baits are also available at Timols at a very good price, so go check them out. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Go subscribe quickly, go press it now. Cheers, see you guys next time.
It's caught in the crossfire.